Honing your skills is mandatory if you want to be a great singer. Whether you just want to sing karaoke at your next party or be the next Ariana Grande or Charlie Puth, every singer needs a voice that is trained, has a bit of swag, and can hold up song after song. That's why I created my Vocal Ninja program. What if you could destroy your fear of singing, rapidly improve your voice, and become a singer that people love listening to? Is this you? You've never taken singing lessons before and you're not quite sure where to start. You're nervous that you won't be able to learn. Or maybe this. You have taken singing lessons before, but you're discouraged with your progress so far. You're concerned because you've hit a plateau. You're ready to take your singing to the next level. What if you could get the quality of coaching that Demi Lovato, Selena Gomez, and Justin Timberlake got for the price of your mocha latte habit? Interested? If you want to be an expert singer, you need expert coaching. But there's a problem. Good vocal coaches are busy, expensive, and usually far away. And a great vocal coach is very busy, very expensive, and most likely very far away. Which means if you want a great coach, you're out of luck. Right? Not anymore. Hi, I'm Shaun Royer. I've spent the last 25 years teaching amazing performers and at some of the best institutions around the world, including Harvard University, the Professional Performing Arts School, and the Broadway Dance Center. I've also coached finalists in the world's largest singing competitions. I can help you master your voice. Up until now, if you wanted lessons from me, you have to pay $300 an hour. You see, if I charged any less, my schedule will get booked up for years in advance, and that would suck for everyone, myself included. In my Vocal Ninja program, you get the tools you need to kill it at your next performance. You'll learn step-by-step methods that I teach my Hollywood students for a fraction of what people usually pay. My technique is fun, informational, and I use concepts that will help you get results immediately, not weeks from now. But I need someone to actually listen to me, so they can tell me what I'm doing wrong. I've got you covered. When you sign up for my Vocal Ninja course, you get 24/7 access to our private forum so you can get feedback from other singers. If you want input from me, there's an option for that too. So if you ever need help with an exercise or just want general feedback, you can post a video of yourself singing. And within hours, you'll get responses from seasoned singers. Does it work? I wouldn't be putting my reputation on the line if it didn't. If you put in the time and effort, you can learn to sing. I'm so sure that I'm going to offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee. If my program doesn't make you a better, more confident singer in 30 days, you'll get a full refund. What are you waiting for? If you're really serious about taking your vocals to the next level and attaining your dream of being the greatest singer you can be, enroll in Vocal Ninja now. Vocal Ninja has limited enrollment, so get in now before it closes.